traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how the market is going to be behaving on the 19th of March 2021. That will be the Friday, the start of a fresh new expiry, and most probably the most critical expiry for the month of March. So let's go ahead and see how it might start. So at the end of the day, after a huge fall, over here we saw Bank Nifty consolidating at a range, and this range is nothing more but somewhere around 327 points. Now if tomorrow we gap up or gap down and take out this range, we can have decent amount of targets here. So the first target I'm looking when this range is being broken tomorrow is 34,137. Now if we stop here, take a support, make a bullish candle, we can also reach 34,617 to be accurate. That will be the level on the CE side. On the PE side, I will want to tell you there is one critical support that was here from which it actually bounced down. It was actually the retracement of 2nd of February. So the price actually retraced from here after a big gap up and gap down and then moved ahead. So this might be the place that they might actually try to move it again. But I want you guys to know that 33,600 would be a very crucial support. If we are not able to sustain that, we are going to see this particular gap that is going to be covered here. And this gap is nothing but, let me just quickly tell you how many points that we are going to have here. We are going to have somewhere around 400 points on this fall. If we consolidate and break 33,600, we might be able to come ahead and reach 33,182. Now remember, a very critical information that I give you: whenever index is breaking a round number that like 33,000, 34,000, 32,000, if there is one bullish candle around that, it's going to reverse from there. So please be very careful with your reversals here. So if you see any point of time a bullish candle is being formed, it's good to take small targets, make yourself in the position so that you don't lose money and save your capital for the rest trades. So that is going to be the most important point. Now if that is being broken, we can easily go ahead and see a target of 32,726. That would be the next level of target that I'm looking for. If we consolidate somewhere around 33,000 and make a bearish candle in a 15-minute time frame. So with these levels, these are going to be our critical levels for tomorrow. I hope you guys will be able to go ahead and understand how and what you need to do. Please mark these levels on your charts so that you can go ahead and see how the price is observing here. So I would tell you, I have not reached so far without listening to a lot of people doing what exactly I'm doing and marking it on my candle. So please be very careful and also very intelligent in drawing these lines on your charts and practicing them. Because let me tell you, we work, our asses off the entire childhood to earn a salary of 23,000. Okay. When we are just starting up somewhere around 20 to 23, some people might even earn 1 lakh. But you know what? Stock market is a medium where it can help you make a 1 lakh within 5 to 10 minutes, depending on what your capital is. So if you want that sort of a money, invest some time, try to practice, get things into order, and money will follow you. All right. So this is a very important lesson that I wanted to give you on the call today. So I hope you guys have had an exciting insight about what is going to happen the next week. I hope this video gives you a lot of profit, and I wish you a wonderful day ahead. So see you tomorrow on another video. Jai Hind. Take care. Goodbye.